My name is Sergio Barajas, and I'm the Executive Director of the National Hispanic Construction Alliance. On behalf of the Hispanic Wealth Project and in partnership with the National Association of Hispanic Real Estate Professionals, we are proud to present Camino a Casa. In high-cost markets across the country, like California, homeownership is increasingly out of reach. New construction is limited and expensive, and most existing homes are older and need repairs. First-time and moderate-income buyers are locked out, not because homes don't exist, but because renovation is complex and unsupported. Camino a Casa unlocks existing housing by making renovation loans usable at scale. At the outset, we align buyers, realtors, contractors, housing counselors, and lenders through education, certification, and contractor readiness. This reduces risk, lowers transaction failure, and turns renovation loans into real pathways to ownership. Our model doesn't create a new system. It activates trusted networks already embedded in local NAREP and NHCA chapters in target markets. That allows us to scale quickly, reduce costs, and expand supply by rehabilitating homes instead of competing for scarce new ones. In year one, Camino a Casa hopes to educate and train more than 500 households in its targeted markets. By year 5, the program will scale across multiple markets, preparing more than 14,000 families for sustainable homeownership. Camino a Casa transforms aging housing into opportunity.